Hi, I'm Raven, here at the Tess Drive. LaFerrari is considered one of the most ambitious and powerful Ferraris ever produced. Its combination of hybrid technology, extreme performance, and exclusivity. The LaFerrari's body is made entirely of carbon fiber, reducing weight and enhancing rigidity. Active aerodynamic elements, such as a rear spoiler and diffusers, adjust automatically to optimize downforce and stability. The LaFerrari is the first hybrid vehicle produced by the Italian automaker Ferrari. Introduced in 2013, it combines a 6.3-litre V12 engine with an electric motor, generating a total output of 950 horsepower. With this hybrid system, the LaFerrari achieves incredible performance while reducing emissions. Check out my calendar shoot, where I have on this soft dress. Come to agelimited.com to get yours from our Etsy shop. Ferrari limited the production of the LaFerrari to just 499 units, making it an extremely rare, with some models selling for several $1 million. Underscores Ferrari's commitment to maintaining its car's rarity and prestige. The LaFerrari boasts incredible performance figures. With a top speed of over 217 miles per hour, a near 60 time of under 3 seconds. A 6.3-litre V12 naturally aspirated engine producing 789 horsepower at 9,000 RPM, paired with a 161 horsepower electric motor for a combined output of 950 HP. Ferrari's innovative hybrid kinetic energy recovery system plays a crucial role. It harnesses and stores kinetic energy during braking, which is then fed back into the electric motor to provide a boost in acceleration. Owning a LaFerrari isn't just about owning a hypercar, it's about experiencing pure automotive ecstasy. The symphony of the V12 engine. How many? LaFerrari Coupe a total of 499 units, the LaFerrari Aperta only 210 units, and the FXA track only was 40 units. Most will never be driven the way they were meant to be. This one simply exists at a higher level. If you like that, there's a whole lot more where it came from. We dig into the cars that still have a pulse, the real ones, the rare ones, the ones that make you stop scrolling. Come hang with us on the Tess Drive channel.